Welcome. If you've noticed that your Instagram stories are being shared more than you'd like, or you just want a bit more control over your privacy, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update on PC, the settings have shifted slightly, and it can be tricky to find exactly where to turn things off. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust your story settings. Once you're on the main screen, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is your menu. Click on those three lines and a sidebar will appear. From there, find and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all the controls for your account, including privacy and sharing options. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Sharing and Reuse. This is where Instagram lets you manage how your content can be shared by others. Click on it, and you'll see several options related to your posts and stories. Now focus on the option for story sharing. There should be a toggle that allows others to share your stories. To prevent anyone from sharing your stories, simply switch that toggle off. Once it's disabled, your stories will no longer be shareable by other users.